You're going to put an ice cube throughout the room in front of about every group is how I did it. And this represents water as a solid. Okay. The next thing you'll do is you'll have a group of students. I did this with a group of 10 students and it went okay. And then the next period we went down to about 3 or 4 students and we did this demonstration with them. Worked a whole lot better. Now, it's going to be hard for me to do that, so I brought little army men to help illustrate this. So you'll pretend these are students, little revolutionary guys, an army guy here. You're going to have them come up in the middle of your room or the front, wherever you want them to. And you're going to say, you guys are going to demonstrate what atoms or molecules, that's a word for the name molecules, in a solid look like, just like the ones in here. So if you were to put on super science glasses and look into here, and look into the solid water, this is what you would see. You're going to behave like that. And so what you want to tell these students, they're going to be standing about like this at first. And what you want to tell them is to bunch up as close as they can to each other. And then they're going to be perfectly still so that they cannot move. What I'm going to do is wave my magic wand pencil, and I want you, and then what that represents is a little bit of energy going into you, and then I want you to move around just a little bit. You cannot quite separate from each other, but I want you to kind of slide and move past each other, kind of like this. And teachers, this is the motion you want them to show. And maybe if you want to, depending on if you think it's a good idea, you can say, now what shape are these students in? Well, they're not in any particular shape. What shape is that puddle of water underneath your ice cube? It doesn't have one. And then you can kind of play with these students, say, okay, and I'm going to take all the energy back out of you, and you're all clumped up, and what are you again? Everybody yells solid. A little bit of energy, you have just enough, you can slide over and past each other. You're a what? You're a liquid. Teachers, you'll model this for the students, and don't do anything until all eyes in the room are on you. Students, watch me go up to this puddle right here, take just a little bit of water, and I'm going to spread it over the tabletop, just a tiny little bit, and you can already see it's gone. For a few seconds, when I wave my magic wand again, you're going to be aghast and you're going to have a tremendous amount of energy. Let's see what you do. There it goes, and now they start, I don't know, you probably don't want them running around the room because they're going to get hurt, so that's probably not a good idea, but have them walk very quickly and pretend like as they bump into each other, not too hard, and tables and chairs and walls, they just ricochet off. They're going in straight lines and they're just bouncing off things, and they can finally look at this, they can separate from each other, become bigger, right, because they have a lot of energy.